There's no question that phones are definitely getting bigger and bigger these days, thereby making them pretty hard to use with one hand. Well, Zone Launcher is an app that lets you launch all of your favorite apps with just a single swipe. And so we're back with another episode of the top Android apps. Let's go. BenLab is a pretty powerful application for any music creators. It's basically like a recording studio, but on your phone. You can record tracks using your phone's microphone, but then you can also dive in and record MIDI tracks using their huge collection of software instruments. You can then layer your recordings using their multi-track editor, and the best part is that it is completely free, which is pretty mind-boggling given the amount of features on show. Actions by Moleskine is an app that lets you stay on top of tasks and reminders. Its functionality is very much like most reminder or to-do list applications, but the design of the app itself is so visually striking that it'll make managing your tasks something you look forward to. The app does run off a subscription-based model, so keep that in mind if you want to continue using it after the 7-day free trial. Once you enter the world of trying beta versions of your favorite applications, it can be a difficult task to go back. And so Betamaniac is an application that lets you track the various beta programs for the applications installed on your phone. The app periodically scans all of the applications installed on your phone and will send you a notification when a beta program becomes available. You can then quickly subscribe to that beta program just by clicking on the notification. ScreenCode is an app that lets you share files and text securely and privately with anyone nearby or without requiring any connectivity, as long as both phones have the app installed. You simply select the file you want to share on one phone, and then the app will generate a screen code that the other device can scan. Once they've done so, the file will start sending, and within no time will be available on the device that is receiving it. Using this method is just about as secure as it gets when it comes to file sharing. Now, whilst we're on the topic of privacy and security, if you haven't already started using a VPN service, then you should definitely check out today's video sponsor, Private Internet Access. Now, when you browse the web without a VPN service, you're actually susceptible to trackers, companies, and even your own internet service providers tracking your every move. That's where Private Internet Access has got your back. They create an encrypted tunnel so that no one can spy on you. They are the leading no-log VPN service with over 1 million paying customers. When they say no logging, they mean no logging ever. It has access to over 3,300 servers in over 30 countries, making it one of the most versatile VPN services that you can use for private internet browsing. It's available for both Android and iOS, as well as Windows, Mac, plus heaps more. And what's great is that Private Internet Access is offering anyone who uses my link down in the description a discounted price of 80% off. So if you're looking for a fast and reliable VPN service, then make sure you check out Private Internet Access today. So one of the great features of Android 10 was the system-wide dark theme that was introduced. And what's great is that you can even force apps that don't have a dark theme option if you enable the override force dark setting found in your phone's developer settings. Well, DarkU is an app that utilizes this feature, but that allows you to have granular control over which apps have the force dark theme applied. This is great for any app that actually ends up looking a little bit wonky given the dark theme conversion process. And so using DarkU means you can ensure that each app looks exactly how you want them to. Just keep in mind that it does require granting permissions via ADB or via root access. Weedcuts is a pretty appropriate name for this next app, and in all honesty, it's probably not the most useful app on this list, but it can certainly be lots of fun. The app uses augmented reality, and it basically allows you to take snippets of various objects in and around your vicinity to then place in the 3D environment around you. There are two modes, cutout mode and collage mode, but either way, the end results are what I describe as ultra abstract and multi-dimensional artworks. Quip is an application that allows work teams to collaborate on shared documents. It combines chats, documents, task lists, and spreadsheets all into the one app, which makes it perfect for collaborating with your team. And with the design being so simple and intuitive, I can see this being a really powerful tool for just about any workplace environment. Betterfish is one of the more captivating live wallpaper applications you can find on the Play Store. It essentially consists of a 3D animated fish swimming around on your phone's background, and aside from the outrageously high quality animation, it's also primarily black, which will help to save some battery as well. Daily Habit Tracker is a well thought out application designed to help you in achieving goals and building healthy habits. Aside from the elegant design, the app lets you set multiple habits and goals, which makes them really easy to track, and you'll even be awarded badges throughout your journey, which would help to keep you motivated. If you enjoyed this video, then a sub would be amazing. And I've got heaps more app-related content just like this across my channel, some of which I'll link as a card up above. But aside from that, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you all very much for watching, and I will catch you later.